In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening settings and clicking on sound and vibration right away. Now scroll down just a bit and click on phone ringtone and vibrate. Then tap on blue sweater next to also vibrate phone calls to disable haptic feedback for incoming calls, or click on gray sweater to enable it. When you finished, go back, scroll down again and click on more sound settings. Then click on this sweater next to vibration on touch to enable or disable haptic feedback for touch, keyboard and more. And last but not least, click on haptic feedback vibration duration. Now you can adjust intensity of your vibration and save it by hitting OK. You can also click on it and tap on default to go back to default settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!